BERNINA 790 Pro. Our video tutorial shows the functionality of the BERNINA Stitch Designer. You can use the Stitch Designer to create your own stitch patterns, as well as to modify existing designs in the machine. The most recently selected stitch is automatically opened when the Stitch Designer is activated and can be edited. The preview shows how the stitch pattern will be sewn. Before changes can be made to the design, first define which points are affected. The following options are available. Select all points, single point is selected. Or, selecting from a particular point, the design will be edited starting from the selected point. Scroll through the pattern using the arrows. The 9mm stitch width limit can be deactivated to enable wider decorative stitches. Mirroring and moving the pattern. When the design is completed, it is confirmed and can be sewn. The newly created pattern can be permanently stored by saving it. You can also create your own designs. To do so, simply use the touchscreen pen to create the desired pattern on the screen. For symmetrical patterns, you only need to draw one half of the design. While all points are highlighted in blue, all points are selected. It is now possible to duplicate the pattern. The duplicated pattern is positioned beneath the first design and is selected. The second design is mirrored. The stitch-out sequence for the second design must be reversed. The Inserting Editing a Stitch function can now be used to add single straight stitches at the end. It is always possible to subsequently add and/or move stitches. When doing so, make sure that the single point is selected function is active. If you need to add a stitch, first scroll to the relevant point. The stitch is always inserted after the selected point, simply by tapping on the desired point. The Relocating the Points function can be used to move the individual stitch. Now select the entire design. For a more distinctive appearance, activate the triple stitch function. Is the design completed? It can be confirmed and stitched out.
BERNINA, made to create.